Wanna know how to clean build a project in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily build a project but in a cleaner way. So, it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, what clean build project does is it simply opens up your project and clears out or cleans out any unnecessary errors or some possibilities of unnecessary dump files as well. So in order to do it, it's super simple. Just simply towards projects right here and simply open up any project that you like first up. And now once you have done that, here on top you should be seeing this navigation bar right here containing various icons. So you can see this hammer icon with this small brush icon here. This is the clean and build project. So make sure your current project is selected. For me right now is Maven project 3. So you can just simply select it right now. And now your build should be starting, as you can see right here on the tutorial. And after a while, your build should be successful and then your project should be cleaned and built. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.